Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can enable gestures on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. In order to navigate through the menu or your phone by using gestures, you need to go to the settings. In the settings, you want to scroll down and go to gestures, and over here choose navigation mode, and then switch to gesture navigation. You can also tap see how it works in order to read more about or learn more about the gesture navigation. And then after that, if we go back, then we will also find a bit more options that might be useful for you and which are all related to gestures. For instance, we have the swipe to split, which allows you to split the screen by swiping your finger back and forth across the screen to use two apps at the same time. We can also enable the 3-finger screenshot, so if you press and hold your screen with 3 fingers, then you can take the screenshot. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!